Okay, ji, one more part of question number 6, fourth part. So, first of all, check that one. Which formula is using that one in the numerator? The numerator, the same formula which we have already used so many times. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Right? This formula we will use in numerator, only this part we have to use this formula. So now I will also explain that the denominator how to use the direct formula, right? So when we will use this formula in the numerator, so what we have to write, the numerator of this part, x minus 1 into x plus 1, because that is square and 1 is already square, so that's why we are not writing the 1 square is equal to 1, so we have to write simple one. Okay, this dot mean multiplication, x plus 5 will remain same and 1 minus x is also remain same, no change. So the change will come this part. On this part, on the rough procedure, I already told you I have to write it rough procedure here. Okay, I can write it here for you. That is x square plus 2x plus 1. What is the product of that? Its product is equal to 1 and sum is also positive 1 and positive 1. It means that you have to find the two factors whose product is equal to 1, and we multiply, then we will get the answer 1. But when will we add? At that time we will get the answer 2. I am writing here 1. It's wrong. So good. So what we have to write it here? Sum 2, product 1. So simple, 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 plus 1. If the coefficient of x square is equal to 1 here, so you can write directly its factors. Both are having positive 1, you can write x plus 1 into x plus 1. Mean no need to write first separate this term, then common and like that. But if the coefficient of x square is equal to 1, the both factors you have to write it directly, plus 1 and plus 1. If that is plus 1 and minus 1 are 2 into 1, then plus 2 and minus 1. So after that we have to solve the procedure of the cancellation. What is the cancellation procedure is remaining? So x plus 1 cancel by this x plus 1. This x minus 1 and 1 minus x can possible to cancel? No. Why? Because this is 1 minus x and this is x minus 1. Before cancellation we should have to take the same fraction or the same polynomial. We have to take minus 1 common. So what is remaining inside? 1 minus x, this x plus 5 over x plus 1 into 1 minus x. Now they both are same, so you can cancel here. So what is the remaining? The remaining part is our answer, which is minus into x plus 5 over x plus 1. G, next question of fifth part, question number 6, its fifth part. How to solve this one? First of all, we want to check that one, is there any number common between them? If the number is common, we have to taking first common, only not number. If the variable is also possible to take common, then we will take common. So where is the common? See that in the first part of this fraction, this is the dot sign. What does it mean, this dot sign? Multiplication. Good. So x is common, we take x common. So what we will write? Remaining that one, x. So x common, what is remaining? Y. Denominator, nothing common. Same. Sign of multiplication. What is common here? Good. Again x is common. It means that they both are same terms. Okay. We take common x. What is remaining? the first part x, then sign plus x common, y is remaining. Here nothing common, we will write that same x plus y. This is sign of division. If you want to change the sign into multiplication, then you have to take reciprocal, but we will change the division sign in the next step in multiplication, right? What is common? Again x common. Wow. So x minus 1. And what is common in the denominator? Yes, denominator y common. So we will write y x minus 2 is inside the bracket. Right? As I told you before, if the possibility to cancel, you can cancel the first, then simplify and then apply the operation division. Mean division change into multiplication, right? What is cancel? This one is cancelling. So we can cancel x plus y, cancel with x plus y. Denominator not possible to cancel. Be careful, okay? So what is remaining in the numerator? Sign of multiplication, so you can write in the single fraction x into x square. You can also possible to write, otherwise x multiplied by x, and denominator y multiplied by y. Why I don't write square, I will explain in this step. Sign of division change into multiplication, take its reciprocal. Reciprocal mean उलट कर दें इसे आप, ठीक है? So x minus 2 and the numerator will become denominator x into x minus 1. Now tell me, what is the cancellation? Good. This y and y cancel and x cancel. That's why the reason is that I did not write this y into y square, because I know that I want to cancel this y by this, and this x will cancel by this x. So the remaining part is our final answer. So what is our final answer? X when multiplied by this one, it will become x minus 2 and y into x minus 1. There is nothing possibility of the more simplification. So this is our final answer. Hope all of you got it. Got it? Good. Got it.